Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Python lets any variable hold anything, freeing but risky on a big project. So today, we add type hints and make our data check itself. Module 11. Type hints let you write down what kind of value you expect. They don't change how Python runs, but your editor and your tools use them to catch mistakes before they ever happen. 3 things. You'll add type hints to your functions. You'll understand the surprising bit that hints don't actually run, and you'll validate real data at the edge of your program with Pydantic. Here are hints. Name, str. That says name should be text, and the little arrow before stir, that's the return type. This function hands back text. It reads like documentation that your editor can actually check. Now, the surprise. This says age is an integer, then assigns text, and Python runs it happily. Hints are not enforced at runtime. They're for tools like MyPy and your editor, which underline the mistake for you. So hints guide humans and tools. They don't police the program. So when real data arrives from outside, a form, an API, you want actual checking. That's Pydantic. Describe your model with types, and it enforces them. Hand it a bad age, and it refuses right at the boundary with a clear error. Watch it guard the door. We hand it data with a name, but no age. It checks the fields. Name, fine. Age, missing. And instead of quietly building a broken object, it rejects the data on the spot. Bad input never gets in. Sarah here. Real models look exactly like this. An order has an ID that must be a number, a list of item names, and a paid flag that defaults to false, self-documenting and self-checking. Your data now protects itself. And that's typing and data modeling. You can hint your functions, Hints don't run, and Pydantic guards your boundaries. Next time, a tour of the standard library, the batteries Python ships with. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.